Hello everyone, thank you very much because you choose my channel, and today already we go make cookies. This is taste very nice. This is Egyptian recipe. Some people already say this is butter cookies, and some people say this is soft cookies, and the Egyptians say Ghraybeh. Okay, but trust me, this is tasty very nice, and also if you have children, love it. And this is very easy recipe. We can already go see what we need. We not need much. We can see together. You need 250 gram normal flour and also 150 gram butter and 80 gram powdered sugar and 50 gram this powdered chocolate, and some people say cacao. This is 50 gram, and you can say also 2.5 big spoon. And also we need to have dry grapes. Okay, this is only what we need, and already we go step by step, make it now together and make very beautiful cookies. Okay, now you need to have one normal bowl, and you need to have mixer. If you not have the mixer, you can also work with your hands, and I show you how. Okay, we start. Okay, we go make it together. First thing we need to do here, the powdered sugar, and the butter. We do all the butter in, and also we need already work not in warm area, because we need not the butter already melt. If you not have mixer, you can mix it with your hands. This is no problem. But I go stop now because not make a lot of noise in a video. After I mix the sugar with the butter, I come back. Okay, I make it half with the mixer, and the rest also I do it with hand, because if have people not have mixer, you can your hand clean, you wash it very nice, and you start make it like that. Till this already go very white. This is easy. This is too easy. This is now start go like this color. It's almost like crema. exactly like Ghraybeh. And after that we do the flour inside like that. We start make it like I do exactly. This is easy. And not much work. Okay, because the video not take too much time, yeah, I already do it like that. When this go done, we not do anything inside, we not do water, we not do anything. And after I finish done with this, because I do this like that something like 10 minutes, and I already come back. Okay, now I am done. This is already, I mix it something like 10 minutes with my hand. This is be now like that. Normally this strong, not too soft, this normal. When you start already mix it with your hand, you feel, oh, maybe I do a little bit more butter. Please not do anything more than the recipe I say for you. Not. Okay, after I mix it now, I already take it and I leave it inside the fridge, something like 10 minutes, something like that, because the most necessary in this dough, the butter not melt, because if the butter melt, you felt it all. Okay, after 10 minutes I do it in the fridge, and after 10 minutes I come back. Okay, I take it out in the fridge. This is look like that. See, look like that. Okay, what we do now, I already take it here. I come here, I take almost half, yeah, less than half, like that. I take the chocolate powder here and start mix it with the chocolate. This is easy. You make it like I do like that, and please not do anything more, because you not filled the recipe. You mix it with your hand till already you not see any white anymore inside. Exactly like I do. This this is a start already. All come like one part now. Normally this not soft, yeah? This always strong like that. Okay, now we done. This is more than enough. Now also we have a bowl, chocolate. One chocolate and one white, but take care because not mix the color. Okay, after I have already the white one and have the chocolate one, we already bring the one for the oven and start already go work together. We see how we make this. But I wash my hands and I come back for you. Okay, now my hand clean and already this one I not do anything in it, not do butter, not do anything. Okay, if you not have a chocolate powder, also you can use it like that. It's no problem. What we go do, we take something like this one, like that, and make it like this. Easy. Almost like I make ball. This is too easy. Like that, almost like the panda ears. With small finger, you push here, like that, and you take one grapes in it, and you take it like that. This is first one, okay, and also the brown the same. And also we can make something nice, because if we have children, we can take something small like that, make it small balls, normal balls. This is too easy. Like this one. Can make it like that. You can do it here, like this. Yeah, I finish and I come back. Okay, already I finish everything now. I make it. This is look like that. Before already I start, I make it like that. I already open the oven in 140 degrees, the temperature 140 degrees, and I already make it hot. I take it and do it in 15 minutes, only 15 minutes. If you already your stove like my this gas and not have already, you can see how I do 140 degrees and like that. You can do in the best low fire you have in the oven. Okay, I do it inside 15 minutes and I come back for you. Okay, now after 15 minutes we can see what we get in the oven. You can go open the oven, use it and this is look like it. And also we lid. We can slowly take it. Still hot. Normally more better wait when this gets not hot anymore. But because the time for a video, I not like take much time. Okay, this is the end. What you get. Thank you very much because you watched my video, and please not forget to support my channel with subscribe and like. And don't forget the bell. And I see you next dish.